Hi, welcome to this video guide. Today I am going to show you how to keep your account list in Quicken for Mac organized and looking clean. Let me show you what I mean by that. First, let's take a look at the account bar. The account bar will display all of the accounts that you have added and are tracking in Quicken. These range from banking to investments to property and debt. But what happens when you close an account and no longer want to keep tracking it? But you don't want to delete it either. It has some important transaction history. You may also want to exclude this account from future reports. Whatever the reason is, I have a solution just for you. Let's take a look at our available options. Quicken for Mac offers a simple solution, which is hiding and excluding accounts from both the account bar and from reports. Like I mentioned before, these options come in handy when I want to exclude an account from current tracking, but I don't want to delete all its history from my file. For example, I have this old checking account that I have closed. All the transactions are from last year and I no longer need this account appearing in any type of report, budget, or list. The first thing you want to do is go to the account itself. Once you're there, click on the settings button at the bottom right. A small window will appear containing the account details. If you look at the very last option, which is Hide Account, you can check and uncheck any of the options you want this account to be excluded from, which are the account list and reports. And if you check them both, Quicken will exclude them from both. And that is what I want to do with my account, so I will go ahead and check both options. Go ahead and click on Save. Once you do that, you'll notice that the account is no longer appearing in the account bar list. And if you run a report, you'll see that those accounts are excluded as a default. So say you want to undo this process or need to access these hidden accounts. To unhide an account, go to the Accounts menu at the top and select Hide and Show Accounts. An account list will come up with the options to hide or unhide accounts from lists or reports, or both. If I wanted to unhide my old checking account, I would deselect both options, hide from list and reports, and then hit OK. And now my old checking is back on the list on the left-hand side. So now you know how to keep your accounts list organized and looking clean by using the Hide Accounts feature. Thanks for watching.